Unlocking the Power of Chatbots, Business Solutions Revealed. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we delve into the transformative potential of chatbots in the business landscape. Together, we'll explore how chatbots are revolutionizing customer engagement, streamlining operations, and driving growth for businesses of all sizes. First, let's understand the rise of chatbots. These AI-powered conversational agents have seen exponential growth, becoming integral tools for businesses looking to enhance customer service, automate processes, and deliver personalized. One of the key benefits of chatbots is their ability to provide instant support and assistance to customers round the clock, whether it's answering FAQs, guiding users through product selections, or resolving issues. Chatbots offer a seamless and efficient way to engage with customers. Beyond customer-facing interactions, chatbots are streamlining internal operations as well, automating routine tasks like appointment scheduling and order processing to facilitating internal communication and collaboration. Chatbots are driving efficiency and productivity across departments. Moreover, chatbots are enabling businesses to deliver tailored experiences to their customers. By leveraging data and machine learning algorithms, chatbots can analyze user preferences and behavior, personalized recommendations, promotions, and content, enhancing customer satisfaction and another advantage of chatbots is their scalability and cost-effectiveness. Unlike human agents, chatbots can handle an unlimited number of inquiries simultaneously, reducing wait times and operational costs associated with customers. In conclusion, chatbots represent a powerful tool for businesses seeking to stay competitive in today's digital age. By unlocking the power of chatbots, organizations can drive meaningful customer engagement, streamline operations, and unlock new opportunities. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And remember, the future of business communication starts with embracing the potential of chatbots. And check the link below this video to get your very own, easy-to-use, chatbot.